It's my feel-good breakfast show.
Oh yes, it is your feel-good breakfast show right here on S3. Let me say, new season, new skincare. Who does? Yes, of course, your skin does need extra love and hydration in the cooler months, but you don't need to stress because who better than our beauty editor, Nox Mafu, because she has all the moisturizers, all the serums and treatments that you need to get that winter radiance. And again, who better than you? Because girl, I always talk about your skin. It is flawless. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Yes.
Sad to say, winter is here.
Girl.
Does that affect our skincare routine? Because I almost feel like with summer, you're all about like the glow up, and
Yes.
you never really think about a glow up in winter.
Well, I think it's the most important time to do so because I think our skincare, well, I know that our skincare has to change when the winter months come. And I'll tell you why. Because we're now relying on indoor heating, we're losing a lot more moisture. So if we think about the heater, the aircon, different ways that we're trying to get snug, all of those things are draining the moisture from your skin. So you have to work that much harder to up the moisture on your skin, to focus on serums and stuff. And you'll find that people with eczema, cracked skin, psoriasis, this is the time where, you know, their skin tends to flare up. So even for myself, I really focus on a high moisture focus, a big focus on my serums, just so that that potent vitamin can come in. And then of course, focusing on a day and night routine that is really good for your skin.
I never actually thought about that. So if you are going to be introducing products to this to obviously make your skin a bit more healthy and a bit
Yes.
more supple, what products would you recommend?
So I think starting with the serum. So if we remember, a serum is a very potent vitamin kind of buildup. So I'd love to start off with the W Beauty Vitamin C. And this has got 2% squalene, which is basically a product that will have a weightless oil, so you can lock in that moisture. But what I love about this, it's got active skin concentrated vitamins. So this is, vitamin C is really great for antioxidants. It really helps with the skin. So if you pair this vitamin C serum with the brightening serum, which
I love.
which is great. I love that you're using this. So this is really great because it's got a very high build up. Vitamin C, again, focus on that brightening, that suppleness, that moisture on the skin. So once you've washed your face, this is really great to go in with on that toned skin, which is ready to receive all those vitamins. So kick off with the serum. And then once you're done with that, I think you can go in then with your moisturizer. So now you're really focusing, and there's still SPF in this. So a lot of people tend to think that this is not the time to focus on that. Your SPF is super important, but obviously if you want to pair that with an illuminating primer, as someone who does makeup, for instance, and you want to focus on that, this is really, really a great product. So it's a 3-in-1. We've got our vitamin A here. So vitamin A is really good with retinol. Retinol is great for keeping that skin young. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, and then your vitamin B3. So all of these things are really great in allowing the skin to feel amazing. I know that as I layer these products up, my skin immediately starts to glow and flow a lot more.
I love that we're mentioning vitamin C quite often because obviously now in winter season, it's something that we need to take
Yes.
in, but also it's good for our skin. Something you're also mentioning quite often is moisture,
Yes.
hydration.
Yes.
How important is that, and when should we be applying a moisture? Should it be during the day or in the evening?
So I think you can do both, depending on your skin. I mean, I remember, Jamie, you mentioned your skin can get a bit oily.
For
so
sure.
so you might find that you can't do it as much, but a nighttime routine is important. So kick off with this, put it in the morning, in the shower where that steam, and I said after a tone, so your pores are open, but it's really, really great to kind of do that in the beginning with that SPF even during winter. And then of course, if you want to target a few spots, because we do get a little bit of pimples and blemishes and stuff, I really like the brightening dark spot corrector. Put it through to the points that are giving you issues. Just rub that in circular motions, and already your skin will literally respond to that because you've added those layers. So this is the finished
When would you
product.
recommend using this? At night after your skincare routine or in the morning under your makeup?
I think in the morning under your makeup, remember you're targeting those areas. If you've got a good primer on, you're keeping that barrier between your makeup and the product. So already you can use this underneath, but also if you want to use it at night, that's awesome because your skin is relaxed, your pores,
Breathing.
exactly. So for me, if I want to keep products and make them last longer, I tend to focus on my serums at night because it can really get in there, but there's no harm in doing that during the day too.
Listen, the glow up doesn't ask when it needs to be done. It just needs to be done.
It needs
and
to be
always,
done,
I
yeah.
trust you because South Africa?
Let me tell you, I use these products and it's so easy to integrate into your life. I mean, depending on your skin, it's vegan friendly. It's very easy to integrate. And so W Beauty is really focusing on that. No matter where your skin, you can get a good one.
As always, so good to have you with us. Of course, for you at home, you can step up your skincare game this winter. Now you can get all these products and more to keep your skin feeling supple and fresh and healthy. And of course, you can shop it at your nearest Woolworths in store, online, or on the app. And right now, I think it's time for the movies.